Hello YouTube viewers, nice to meet you. I was on YouTube today and I saw some things about the Black Parade by My Chemical Romance, and I was inspired to join the Black Parade. Many people had inspired me, and their inspiration led to me being inspired to join the Black Parade. And because of their inspiration and me being inspired and all, I decided I'd join. But I have to kill myself. And the only way to kill myself for this time is... Billy! Well, I'm gonna drive my good old hemi truck off a major cliff. And it should be major impact, but it's okay. Gonna perch myself up here in the blue seat of inspirationness, and gonna get a vroom, vroom, vroom